Hello guys, welcome back to Scratch Tutorials part number 19, and today we are going to do something interesting and very classical. It's a Scratch programming with Faber's Hudson. As you can see in yesterday's video, we have done the sensing whole part. We have done many of the sensing, like the timer and the loudness, and so the current year 2024 and the current minute, current second. You can see that. So as you know, we have done the sensing. So our next tutorial would be about control and most of the controls, which means we are going to do a repetition, which are also called loops. And today we'll express the loops. First of all, let's try a simple code, like when the green flag clicked, move 10 steps. Simple. Now when I press the green flag, it's moved 10 steps, which means it changes its x value by 10. But you may notice that I have to press it again and again to move it 10 steps. There's an idea in which you can move it just with only one click. And what's that one click is you can go to the control section, and here take this forever loop, which means forever means forever, nothing useless, nothing end, no end. So when the green flag is being clicked, you can see that I'm trying to let's move it here. So stop it first of all. You can see that. Yep. So it's moving 10 steps again and again forever, and it's stuck in here because it's the end. So what we can do is to first of all take this if on edge bounce, and now it's moving edge. If it's edge and then it's bouncing, so it's only with one click. Like I just press the green flag for only one time, and it just moves. And if I stop this green flag, which means like here, and then I remove this forever loop, and then press when the green flag and the edge bounce. So you can see I have to do it again and again and again, which makes a little more harder. So adding the forever loop, which makes things very easy, and it also makes the things happening forever, nothing and no end. So this is a basic function of the forever loop. Let's try some more examples by controlling it. Now if you can see that we have controlled the sprite. First of all, let's delete the sprite and choose another sprite. I'm going to the animals. There are a lot of animals going on. I'm gonna pick here. Yeah, here. So now what I can do is, when the space tree pressed, you can see that. But what that happened is we had to do it again and again. But I'll show a way in which you haven't do it again and again. When the green flag click forever, which means to do the thing forever, take for if then, means for if then condition applies. I'm basically moving a sprite around 40, 60, means pressing by key arrows. So let's take our sensing block, which is the key space pressed. If up arrow pressed, let's take another and another and another. If up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, and left arrow press, then go to motion. First of all looks, and just you can see shortcut. So change x by 10 in the right arrow, and change x by -10 when you are pressing the left arrow. And simple wise, when you are changing the up arrow, then simply up arrow means changing y by 10, and down arrow means changing y by -10. So let's try our project. As you can see, I'm moving bit simpler like that. Here's the comparison. I'm going to take a comparison by using this and let's take another sprite. Let's go to animals again. I like animals in Scratch tutorials. Let's take too many options. There we go. Let's take our polar bear. 2 white animals. Take it here and take it here. And now what I am going to do is to use a simple method which have been done already. Take 4 of these starters at once. You can see that now. Simple. This is but less coding, but the more beneficial is the other one, which means you can use that better. And this is a bit, you can see later what's the difference between them. So go to looks and change x by 10 here and change x by -10. I'll type -10, and then when that up arrow press, change y by 10, change y by -10. I'll move it a bit here, change y by -10. So here when I press the up arrow, so what I can do is to use the WASD, because if that, then it will also move. So let's take our WASD, where is up arrow means W, where is that W, and down arrow for S, it's near my right arrow for D, yeah, D, and left arrow for A. So now when I am trying to move with WASD, you can see that I have to do it again and again. If you make your own project, in the link in the description below, you make your own project in the Scratch tutorials, then you see you have to do it again and again. I press one time, it seems that you have to do it again. It's a bit rough work. Here we go. So now when we have introduced another method, which is the hair one, and when the green flag is being clicked, now I just press the up arrow one time. You see that it just moves very smoothly. Like you can see, I'm just moving one button and it's moving and moving and moving. So adding the forever loop is making the things very easier and making things more simple and easy. So this is the main functions of these forever loops. Please try it in your own projects as well, because it's very good and helpful in many types of complicated projects. Here we go. So, and this is the loop part number 1. Let's try another project. Let's delete the polar bear one, and let's delete this whole coding. And now for the last time, on the green flag, click forever. Let's say change size by 10, and then if the size is equals to, I guess the size is equals to, what you can say, 150. You know what, 150, get 150. If the size is equals to 150, yep, size is equals to 150, then you have to play the sound pop. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that when the green flag is being clicked, then forever means then to change size by 10. It will be changing its size rapidly by 10. Let's make smaller by 50. So if the size is equals to 150, then you have to stop and say to play the sound pop. When I press the green flag, you see, you will notice that it's changing the size by 10. But when if the size is equals to 150, it's not. You can see stopping itself. When I press the green flag again, let's see that set size to 100%. Yeah. Now when the size is 150, it's played the sound pop, but it doesn't stop. So what we can do is we have to practice another code in control, which we will later see what is that control meaning. So after that it is in the control section, but if you watch the Scratch tutorial part, you will understand what is the mistake in here. By the way, I think it's good for enough. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe and like the video, then see you next time.